Now, cracks, tremors, and murmurs of dissent continue to rattle the foundations of the political truce between President William Ruto and ODM leader Raila Odinga in what looks like a deal to defuse political tension is now igniting a firestorm within ODM, where loyalty to party ideal is colliding with the realities of power sharing. As Jeff Kirui reports, the Orange Party is grappling with a full-blown identity crisis.
The party chair.
When the Ruto-Raila deal was sealed, it promised political stability, but instead it has tired confusion in the orange ranks. ODM, once a bastion of opposition, now struggles to define its place in a political landscape it helped shape.
And I want to apologize to members of ODM today for all the confusion we as a leadership have caused, because it is very difficult now to discern the position of ODM on major issues.
Right now, you cannot just shout the way we used to shout ODM in a rally. It's not possible because of the utterances made by top leaders, those who are in the government and those who are benefiting out of the government. And there are a few. Really, I want them to realize that it was not about making 3 or 5 people billionaires. The journey of ODM was about changing the country.
The question of whether ODM should throw its weight behind President Ruto in the 2027 race has split the party down the middle, igniting rebellion from party stalwarts to rising stars. From Raila's long-time political bosom buddies to the current generation, many have expressed reservations about the cooperation deal between ODM and President William Ruto's UDA party.
Ruto is taking us into a sinking ship. And I'm urging everybody that joining Ruto is a disaster, is an abomination. It cannot work.
Baba has possibly the best grassroots network in this country. They're saying this relationship is hurting our political party.
The earlier ODM leave Ruto government, the earlier it rescues itself. In fact, beyond this year, if ODM does not leave Ruto government by January, then it should as well forget about the support it has received across the country.
Political analysts warn that Raila's overtures to Ruto could erode ODM's grassroots support, dim its reformist flame, and leave its base disillusioned ahead of the 2027 polls.
These dissenting voices, youthful, popular politicians, questioning that cooperation or engagement Raila has with Ruto, that could affect the turnout. It could affect the number of people who vote for Ruto from Luo Nyanza.
Proponents of the cooperation deal, however, are sticking it out for Raila Odinga, who has made it clear that he will back President William Ruto until 2027.
Lakini yale alisainiwa pale KICC ndio sisi tumeshikilia mpaka leo. Na tunaunga broad base mkono 100%. Hapa tuondoki.
As it stands now, leaders within the rank and file of ODM party, critical of Ruto-Raila's political union, are reportedly contemplating a contingency plan amid talk of plans to jump ship and coalesce as an alternative voice. Jeff Kirui, KTN.
President